Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Brandon Kyle, and today we're going to talk about how a funnel works. So I made a post on TikTok earlier in the week showing something through Funnellytics about the whole process of generating leads in business through a funnel, right? So we drive traffic from social media sources. It lands you on an opt-in page. They give you an email. It takes you to a thank you or a bridge page, and then over to the sales page or the product that you're promoting. On the back end, you're collecting an email, which allows you to drip them a sequence of emails, pushing them back to the product you're promoting. But also, when you generate a lead or somebody's email, you have the ability to follow up with them forever, as long as you have that email, to present them with other products or opportunities within whatever niche it is that you're interested in. So that's exactly what we're going to look at today. I'm not going to show you how to build a funnel. That could be a different day, but I have some funnels set up that I have used that I'm going to show you how they work, not only on the front end, but the back end, so you can put the pieces together and really understand what's happening when it comes to the funnel building process. Cool? Great. Let's jump right into the computer, and now we're going to start to look at what's happening here. So the first page here that I want you to take a look at is, this is Funnellytics. You can check it out. It's a really easy building platform or program for you to visualize or represent the things that are actually coming out of my mouth right now. Okay, so this is a simple two-step funnel in the sense of we have an opt-in page right here, and then we have our thank you page. Okay, so that's the two-step funnel for me. And then at the end, it's going to drive them over to the actual product, which is the sales page here. Okay, so if we go back to the beginning of this entire funnel, right, we want to drive traffic from different sources. Okay, TikTok is super hot right now. Pinterest is great. I'm still learning that, but it's starting to happen, and my monthly views are starting to increase. It's a very visual, representational type of platform. And then here we are on YouTube. You're watching my video. We all know that YouTube is a search engine as well. So I like to work with organic, free traffic because I'm cheap and I like to pinch my pennies, but I do spend money on advertising here and there. But we want to get this traffic to come to the opt-in page. Okay, so the first funnel that I'm going to show you is a dog training funnel, right? It's super common. People are always promoting dog products because people love their pets, right? Dogs, cats. I actually don't have a dog, so that's why I'm not using the dog funnel anymore. I was using it as a testing type of funnel to get my bearings when I first started. But as you can see, we drive our traffic into the opt-in page. You're like, hey, do you want to learn more about this dog product? Yes, give me your email. Great, it takes you to the thank you page. Great, what you're about to learn is this amazing new dog training formula, da-da-da-da-da. Do you want more information? Yes, it takes you to the sales page. Down here, you can see this is where they get added to your personal email list. Okay, it's usually better to collect that email so that you can follow up and you have them forever. You could just skip from this process and go straight to the sales page and let them handle it yourself, but then you'll never be able to follow up with those people. So what happens is once they get added to your list, you're going to have a series of emails that will follow up over maybe 3 to 5 or 7 days. Now, you don't need to worry about writing these emails because 9 times out of 10, most of the companies you are promoting provide you with email swipes. What that means is that they've already written the emails for you, so all you have to do is copy and paste them in sequence into your email provider, right? And this will fire off every day or whatever. So you can see here for email 1, 2, and 3, every day it points back to the original offer. Okay, day 1, hey, did you know this about this? Day 2, let's talk about more about dogs, but check out this product. Day 3, here's another thing about dogs, but let's check out this product, and so on. Now, once this campaign runs out, that could be the end of it. But as you start to become more skilled and proficient, what you'll be able to do is start to add more emails in afterwards onto this. Now, they might go back to the original product, or if these people didn't buy, maybe that just wasn't the product for them, but they obviously have a dog. They're interested in dog products. So what you'll do later on is maybe you're going to find additional dog products that you will drip into your email sequence and follow up with them later on. That's how you make recurring passive income down the road. So before we get into it, I just want to say though, as you start to create this email sequence, sending to people, yes, initially it's going to be a little bit more salesy up front because that's how they opted in, right? Hey, check out the product, check out the product, check out the product. But if you actually want to develop a relationship with a customer or a client long term, you might want to consider building out email campaigns that offer value as well. So it's not every day is buy my shit, buy my shit, buy my shit, right? Okay, for the first 3 days, I dripped you on this product. Either you bought it or you didn't, but I'm glad to have you on my list. Let me tell you some more things about dogs or training or pet grooming, things of those nature. That way, like, oh, cool, it's not just all sales. And within that, then you can start to work in, oh my God, check out this new shampoo. Your dog is going to be shinier than ever, right? That's how you start to work it in without it being like, buy this, buy this, buy this, buy this, right? It's kind of off-putting. So let's go look into the back end, okay? So I'm going to go over to my Clickfunnels account here. I already have the brain training for dogs funnel popped up. Okay, I'm going to show it to you as the web page first, and then we'll look at it on the back end. Okay, so if I open this up, right, what would happen is you would come to my Scooby-Doo.com, right? Because I'm on TikTok promoting dogs. It's a dog channel. You click on the link in bio, Scooby-Doo.com. Boom. Here we are. Develop your dog's hidden intelligence. And this is a high producing product that is very popular within ClickBank. Okay, so you can see it's a product page. It comes in here. There's 3 buttons here and they say show me how. So if you click on one of these, right now it's going to prompt you for an email address. Okay, so this is where I'm about to collect an email. So I submit my email, and now the ball is already in motion. It's going to start to send an email out to me, but what would be the potential customer. So now it takes you to the next page, okay? This is your thank you or your bridge page. And you can scroll down and you're going to be learning more about the product. Yes, you're like, oh my God, this is really cool. You can watch some videos on how the product is working. And then eventually you get to a point where you're like, yeah, you know what? I actually would like to see what the price is, because you can see on here, there is nothing that talks about how much it costs. Yes, all we're talking about are features and benefits and how much private training could cost, but not the actual cost. Right? So eventually you get down here and you want to learn about this. So you're going to click instant access, and now it's taking me over to the product sales page here. Okay, so this product costs $47, all these different things, and if the people pay for it, I make a commission on this item right here. Okay, and this is all handled by the sales company right here. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the front end. Okay, so let's go to the back end. Let me close a couple of these out of this funnel right here. So now we're going to go into edit the page. Okay, and some companies have funnels that are pre-built for you. Some of them you're going to have to build yourself. It's really not that hard. Like I said, we'll save it for a different day, and that's a different discussion on congruency and making things look a lot alike. But when you're in Clickfunnels, and I recommend Clickfunnels, it's super easy to use. It's super intuitive. I have tried other programs and platforms. I would rather just pay the extra money for the ease of convenience. Okay, but you can see, so this thing is set up here, right? We've got all these different things here, right? You're starting to set up whatever your first opt-in page is. On this one, we have a pop-up. Okay, so this is the pop-up that comes up, right? That asked me for the name and the email address, right? So you can have a button, or you could just embed an email, right, a opt-in form on here, but we do the pop-up, okay? And what happens is show the pop-up, and now we're gonna look at some of this stuff, okay? So once we come to these buttons here, right, we wanna integrate, right? We have to set an action, right? And the action is that this submits the order in the order form. What that means is once somebody says, yes, show me how, that email address gets submitted to your email list, okay? And the way you're going to do that is in the settings, you have integrations. You can see it looks like email right here, right? Over here, you would integrate your autoresponder. Right now, it's not connected because I'm not using it. But if I wanted to, right, your autoresponder leads to your list. What is the integration? Okay, I have an Aweber account. Yes, and select the integrator. I'm going to integrate it to a list. And what list should I put it on? And you can see I have tons of different lists. God, I can't talk. But one of them would be brain training for dogs. Okay, so now I get to collect emails. It goes to the email company. Okay, really it's that simple. Okay, then we're going to go back. And we would come to a thank you bridge page. Okay, because that would have been the next step. We'll look at email last. And once you build your bridge/thank you page, this is like an intermediate place. Like, oh my God, thank you for coming, right? Maybe it's a video, yes. And now we're going to be like, look, congratulations, your video is loading. Don't exit the page. We received your email, da-da-da-da-da. Now right here it says, show me how. So we're gonna take them to the sales page. So in this position right here, there's gonna be another button that takes them somewhere, the sales page. So when you do that, you have a set action feature, okay? And it's going to take them to a website. And this website URL is my special affiliate link for this dog training product. So I just enter that here. And then that way, when somebody clicks this button, not only does it take them to the sales page, my affiliate link is embedded as part of that cookie so that they know that I get paid. Does this make sense? Okay. So let's talk about the email part of this, right? It's very simple. You opt in, thank you, go to the next step, they click the button, I get credit. Cool. Okay, so now let's look at the email part of this. Okay, so I've already brought you in. I built a campaign. If you watch my Aweber video, right, that talks about setting up your email and building a campaign. So I'm not going to go over that now. Okay, I'll actually put it in a card right above right now. But once you get set, right, you've got your funnel set up, you're ready to launch it, right? You want to make sure all the emails are set up and ready for your drip. So what you're going to do here is you're going to build a campaign, okay? And we've done this already. Yes, you're going to trigger your campaign as soon as you get a new subscriber, and as soon as somebody subscribes, this email, number one, goes out instantly. Then they're going to wait a day. They'll get a second email. They wait a day, and then they get a third email. What's great about Aweber right now is later on, let's just say you only set up the 3 emails because you're not quite sure about this funnel yet. But you're like, damn, I wish I would have added some more emails because somebody might have run through the 3 days really quickly. Now you can start dropping additional emails in later on. This person could have gone through this funnel 3 months ago and never heard from you. It's kind of not the best way to follow up with them, but you could drop a new email in today and boom, that email will fire right off. Or you could put a delay in. Let's say, okay, damn, it's been 3 months. Let's put a 3-day delay in. I'm going to stock this bad boy up with a new sequence of emails. Boom, 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 boom. The process starts all over for them. Not from the beginning, but from where they left off. That's amazing right there, okay? Because I have definitely been guilty of dropping the ball and just letting leads sit and not follow up with them. So you get these emails right here, okay? And like I said, these are already written for you, right? So you can come and check it out. All I had to do was copy and paste this email right into here, do a little bit of formatting, make sure that my link is here, okay? So you see this is a hyperlink, okay? It has a hyperlink in here, which takes them right back to that sales page, okay? Very, very simple, yes? So this is what this little process looks like. Nothing too complicated. But if we come back to the beginning just to bring it all full circle, right? We're promoting our products on social media somewhere. Somebody clicks a link, takes them to their page, right? They opt in, you take them to a bridge page, they go to the final product. Down here, they're on your list, you drip them with some emails, and then you follow up, right? So if you don't understand the process, feel free to go and check out mine, okay? Mine actually works very nice. It's very smooth, especially if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing. I have a free ebook, right? 7 Proven Steps to Affiliate Marketing. It'll lay it all out for you. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to type them in below. I'm always here to help you guys out. So hopefully that helps explain the process. If you guys like what you just saw, please hit subscribe, smash the like button, or maybe even share this video out onto social media to some of your friends or family. Okay? I'm Brandon Kyle. I'll see you guys in another video.